First, ensure your iPhone or iPad is running iOS or iPadOS 18 or later. Fully charge the AirPods Pro 3 case. Turn on Bluetooth on your device. Open the AirPods Pro 3 case near your unlocked iPhone or iPad within 2 inches. A setup animation will appear on your screen. Tap Connect on the setup animation that appears. Alternatively, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select AirPods Pro 3 from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm pairing. The earbuds will automatically connect to your Apple ID and sync across devices. Test audio by playing a video or music. Adjust the fit using the provided silicone tips. Customize settings like spatial audio and noise cancellation in Settings, your AirPods. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by pressing and holding the setup button on the case for 15 seconds until the LED flashes white. Ensure no other devices are connected. Core features include active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and customizable touch controls, double tap for play pause, triple tap for noise modes. While compatible with non-Apple devices via Bluetooth 5.4, advanced features require iOS, iPadOS. The H3 chip ensures low latency audio and seamless switching between Apple devices via iCloud.